In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off OneDrive on this day memories. If you've been getting nostalgic photo reminders and you'd rather not see them, this walkthrough will show you exactly how to disable those alerts. We'll use OneDrive in a web browser, and in just a minute or two, you'll have those on this day notifications turned off for good. Start by opening OneDrive in your browser and signing into your account if you're prompted. Once you're on the OneDrive homepage, shift your attention to the top right corner of the screen. You're looking for the gear icon, which is the universal symbol for settings. It can blend in a little depending on your theme, so take a second to spot it. Click the gear icon to open the quick settings panel. This panel is handy for common options, but for what we're doing, we need the full settings area. Inside that panel, select the option labeled settings. Again, this opens the full OneDrive settings page where you can manage more detailed preferences. On the left side of the settings page, look for the section called Notifications. Go ahead and click it. This brings up your notification preferences for OneDrive. If you don't immediately see notifications, try expanding the menu or slightly widening your browser window so the navigation labels appear. Make sure you're in the right account if you juggle personal and work profiles, as the layout can vary. In the notifications area, find the option for On This Day Memories. This is the setting that controls those throwback reminders. Turn it off by toggling the switch to the off position or unchecking the box, depending on how it's displayed for you. Disabling this option will stop OneDrive from sending you those resurfaced photo memories while leaving your other notifications unchanged. Once you've turned the setting off, click Save to apply your changes. Give it a moment to process. You might see a brief confirmation or the save button will gray out, which indicates the update has been recorded. From now on, you should no longer receive on this day memory prompts across your devices tied to this account. If the change doesn't seem to take effect right away, try refreshing the page, signing out and back in, or reopening your browser. You can always return to the same notifications section later if you decide to turn the feature back on. That's it. Simple and effective. Thanks for watching, and enjoy a quieter OneDrive experience without the surprise memory reminders.